Hi everybody, welcome back for another video. You can see I have a package here. So this is going to be an old school unboxing. This is something that I had coming from Lochby. Let me cut that open. I have lots of things from Lochby. Let me get the... Okay. So, this is something teeny tiny. This is another alternative to the Traveler's Company card size. Traveler's Notebook, or also, like I showed last time, the Chic Sparrow Nano. This, you can see, is by Lochby. They have their card that says all of that if you want to read it. My light is making a funny, okay. And Lila's up by me, so she'll be meowing. Let's take that off. And it looks like there's some paper in there. It's just rolled up like tissue paper or whatever that you'd have in, like, say, tennis shoes, you know, wrapped around them, or nice dress shoes. So this is, as you can see, it is quite compact, and I went with the same size that I normally, or the same colorway that I normally get. A little discant. I went with the brown and the orange honeycomb color inside, and it comes with a little dot grid notebook. This is a A7 size notebook, which you can see they are 2.5 by 4, and it has 72 pages, which is wonderful. Sorry, my light is wigging out. And you can see that this is perfect. It is like card size, wallet size. I won't get any of my cards out, but these here are the same size as a business card, so you can see, or a credit card. They're those printable ID cards that I got on Amazon years ago, and I use them to hold washi samples of some washi tape that I like to use. It's easier to have these on the desk sitting in a little cup than to have, you know, like 20 rolls of washi tape just all over the place, which is funny because I still end up having washi tape all over the place. I think I was going to put these on this card, and that's why they're out. But yeah, so you can see there is one slot, two slot, if I can get this in, and three. There's a pocket here. You can see there's another card slot here, like that would be a good place for like a driver's license or something. And there's another pocket back here, which, since there's no elastics, it's a good place to insert your notebook. And I got sent I guess this is a 4-pack of more dot grid. This is like all of their inserts. It's made from, I think it's Tomoe River paper. It says designed in the USA, made in Indonesia. They used to be made out of Tomoe River paper. It might be that new replacement. It's a really nice paper. You can actually fit 2 of these in here. There we go. But one thing that's really nice about this, let me take those out, is you'll see that there's this big pocket here, so you can put things in there, or even cash or receipts or notes. But there's a bigger pen loop, which, like, this is a Uniball Signo DX in like this beautiful brown. Look at that. That fits in there so nicely. Let's see. Here is a Pentel Energel Klena. That fits in there nice. And if you angle it a little, or this is the Midori Travelers Company. Mine says Midori, made in Japan, brass. These will fit in there very nicely. So would the ballpoint pen they have, or the fountain pen. Let's see. If you like just a regular ballpoint pen, this is a Bolograph. This is an old Bolograph. You can see it started to tarnish. I don't think it's real silver. I think it's some sort of a brass copper alloy. But that fits in there very nicely. What else? What other pen? Oh, here's a regular Pentel Energel. This is one of the Galaxy colors. It's like this olive green. That's really pretty. That fits in there nicely. I guess, yeah, you could do a Jelly Roll. It's a little long, but, you know, I'm not sure if I have any other... Whoop! I knocked over my highlighter pencils. Oh, this is a one of the Uniball short fat pens. That fits in there quite nicely. So that also means that a Kaweco would fit in there nicely. This pen is a Diodoro I got with a Filofax I bought years ago, and of course that is tiny enough that that fits in there quite well. What else is in here? This is another Uniball. It fits in there nice. We'll try. I'm gonna try this. This is a Uniball Pure Malt, and it has a pencil right there. It has black and it has a red, but you can of course change the colors. Look at that, it fits. So if this fits, I've been using this just a day or so for my wallet. It is a 20-year-old Chic Sparrow, 21-year-old Chic Sparrow maybe, in the Black Beauty. I won't open much because it's got like my IDs and stuff, but it's an old single elastic that I've had. Really pretty. But that means that this would fit. See, this is my favorite pen. I've got two of these. This is the darker one, and I've got a lighter one, and I use the darker one. And I've got Pentel Energel brown ink in it, actually. So this could be a nice replacement for my wallet. Right now I'm using the Chic Sparrow, but I have been using this one. But just look at, let me get my journal out of the way. Just look at the size difference. If you're looking for something more compact, and this also has the zipper, which really is nice if you are using it as a wallet. If you've got, you know, credit cards in here and IDs and insurance cards and stuff like that, it's really, 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 so I got my mess here on the table. It's really a nice notebook. Let me see. I'm thinking this will be way too wide. Yeah, probably my micro inserts that I make they might fit in here. I make they're 4x3, even though I know these inserts are 2 point whatever. What did it say? 2.5 by 4. So 4 tall and 2.5. So I definitely think my micro inserts would fit in here. I could use this one for notes and then put like a little monthly calendar in here. I think I might try that. If it works, I will share a video showing how I plan on using this. Since I just moved into this, I might keep in this for a while and spend some time seeing how I'm going to use this. But I'm glad I got this little 4-pack of dot grids, so that way I have them. And it looks like they're very similar to that of the Chic Sparrow Nano size. Those might be a little bit shorter. I think they might be like 3 inches and change, but this is a 7 size. And I just wanted to share it since so many people are wanting to get those little traveler's notebooks that are the wallet size. But, you know, of course, they're limited edition and they are out of stock now because they were limited and quite popular. So there we are. I just thought I would share a quick little look into this really unique new notebook made by Lochby. If you have any questions, please leave them down below and I will try to get back with you as soon as I can. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.